Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to activate Touch ID on this iPhone and unable to complete Touch ID setup. Please go back and try again on any iOS version. If you're facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, go to settings, tap general, tap reset, and tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode, and tap again reset all setting in pop-up window to confirm your action. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting and no data and media will be deleted. After reset all settings, go back to settings and tap Touch ID and passcode, put iPhone passcode, and turn off iPhone unlock and also turn off iTunes and App Store. Now tap on finger 1 and delete fingerprint. Now force close setting app and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And after force restart, we have to go back to settings, then tap Touch ID and passcode, put iPhone passcode, and tap add fingerprint. Now place your finger to complete the process. We have to complete all the setup. Tap continue. Now enable iPhone unlock and also enable iTunes and App Store. Now put your Apple ID password. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.